Hi, hello viewers, welcome to CrafTym. Hope you are well. Today we are going to make stickers. I just need some stickers, so I thought to make it myself. I already made more than hundreds of such stickers and I loved making these. So I thought to share with you how to make these stickers, and let's start. First go to Google and search for stickers, or you can search free sticker packages or any other stickers you like, or you can select each sticker and make your own sticker sheet and now download it and take printout. It's okay for your personal purposes, but you can send it. I think there will be some copyright issues for that. And this one is a printout I took like that. So now what you need is cellotape. First stick it all above the paper like this. Take care not to make wrinkles while sticking. Now cut out each sticker around the edges like this by leaving some space. Similarly, I am cutting on more a flower sticker. Cut along the edges like this. Now take a parchment paper to stick these stickers. Now take double-sided tape to stick these. Stick the double-sided tape under the sticker and stick it on the paper. Like this you can make a sticker sheet. Now if you don't have double-sided tape, I will show you how to use cellotape instead of that. When using cellotape, you have to cut each sticker from the printout. Then you have to take a piece of cellotape and stick it on the paper. Now place the sticker on the tape and now place another cellotape on the top. Now cut the stickers along the edges. And there you go. Like this you can make stickers even without double-sided tape. You just need cellotape for that. Now if you don't have a printer or you can't take printout, there is another method to make your own stickers. What you need is just draw your stickers. Just draw it and color it and cut it out and use cellotape to cover it. And if you have no idea on stickers, just Google it, and if you can't draw, you can trace it and make your own. You have so many ways to do it and you can make your own stickers anyway. I really love making it. I actually want to make it more of these. Just enjoy the happiness of making it yourself. That's all friends. Hope you enjoyed watching this. If you loved this video, please hit the like button and share your comments. I'm always happy to see your comments. And also please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.